Thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris.McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2019 Lance 1062 camper. Come on inside, we'll take a look. As you can see, this one here has a keypad entry, rear awning and backup camera. Inside here you have two slides. This slide here including the dinette that transforms into a bed. Under storage on both sides with nice big drawers. Tons of storage over here. 3 drawers, power, more storage in here. And as you come around this side, you have a storage panel there, storage above, trash can here, and a nice large sink. And it looks like this one has a 3-burner cooktop with stove, which is uncommon in these campers. And a nice sized microwave. Again, a lot of storage underneath. And then as you come around here, you have a nice sized closet for storing all your clothes, and then storage on either side of the bed. And then this TV will telescope out and face this direction so you can watch it from the living room. And then as you come back over here, you have a dry bath. So an actual bathroom inside a camper, which again is not super common, but once you get into this size, things get a little more accommodating. And this here roof access ladder, it is a walkable roof. Come around over here. Again, the awning, LED lights. This houses both your propane tanks, tons of propane. And then a nice addition to the 2019 is the fiberglass cap. Does a really good job. And then as you come over here, you'll have more storage on the underbelly of this. Your hot water heater and your Happy Jack, all remote control. Slides are remote control, jacks are remote control. You don't even have to step into the unit to get everything open. And that'll be about it. Thank you again for clicking the link. My name is Chris.McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. If you have any questions or would like to take a look at this, give me a call or shoot me a text. My cell phone number is 541-731-8583. Thank you.